In this video, I will show you guys step by step how we made $37,950 in commission with Fiverr affiliates using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I will share with you my secrets, my method, my strategies that helped me to earn this commission just in 90 days, just in the last 3 months, okay? And just last month, I made $16,972 in commission with Fiverr affiliates, and it's paid. As you can see over here, this is my invoice, this is my affiliate account dashboard. I'm sharing with you guys everything. As you can see here, this is my commissions, this is my clicks, my CTR, and every single month I'm making up to $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing using free traffic. So for people who are interested to start making money with Fiverr affiliate marketing business, make sure to watch this video until the end. I will share it with you everything step by step, and let's get started. So step number 1, for people who don't know what is Fiverr affiliate, so first go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link. Fiverr is a freelance services marketplace where sellers provide services with their skills, and people come and buy those services from Fiverr. Okay, it's the biggest freelancing marketplace online. Okay, anyway, just click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliates. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever, because they are really paying good commissions. Some commissions can be up to $150 for just one service. The best part is that each time this person will make a transaction on Fiverr, you will earn commission for the next 12 months, which makes this business a really profitable business. So just click here on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to choose good services that you will start promoting using free traffic, and we will use YouTube to get free traffic. Okay, so step number 2, go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, go back to your YouTube homepage. All of you guys have a YouTube channel, just open your YouTube or a YouTube account, open your YouTube homepage like this. Why we use YouTube and why we will choose YouTube is because YouTube has 29 billion monthly visitors. You guys can get so much traffic from YouTube, and millions of people every single day are using YouTube to search for services, topics, products, and so much more. Okay, because YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number 1, YouTube is number 2. Okay, so YouTube is the best traffic source that you can get so much traffic from. So anyway, click here on the search and ask questions. So for example, I will ask let's say how to make YouTube thumbnail as an example. Okay, how to make YouTube thumbnails. And here you go. YouTube will give you the topics that people are searching for. This is a report search prediction. People are searching for how to make YouTube thumbnails on phone, how to make YouTube thumbnails on Canva, in Photoshop, on Android, on CapCut, and so much more. Okay, so what you will do next, so we will choose services related to those topics that people are searching for. So we will go back to our Fiverr homepage. We will click on the search. We will search for YouTube YouTube thumbnail, okay, like this. Search for YouTube thumbnail, and I want you to pay a close attention in this step, okay? Always make sure to choose good sellers. You will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service on Fiverr. You need to choose good sellers like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, because those people who will check your affiliate link, who will click on your affiliate link, they will check the feedback of these sellers, they will check the profile of those sellers, they will see if those sellers are good sellers or not, okay? So that's why you need to focus on good sellers. So for example, I will choose like this one. You guys can see this one is level 2 seller. He has over 1000 reviews. I will click on his service like this, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Over 10,000 people paid for this service, okay? People keep coming back, meaning that those people are still buying more thumbnails from this seller, so this seller, meaning that this seller is really a good seller, providing a good service thumbnail for his customers. 24 orders in queue. So it's already working. This is the proof. People are buying those services. So guys, please answer this question. Which people will pay for this service? Which people? Of course, those people who are using YouTube, people who want to make YouTube thumbnails for their YouTube videos to get more views and grow their YouTube channels. Those people who are searching for those topics are the only ones who will be interested to buy the service, and the only ones who already are buying those services, okay? Over 10,000 reviews. This is the proof. Anyway, copy the link of the seller, copy the profile link of the seller, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here on this one on your dashboard. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports. Click on marketing tools, click on defaults and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here, click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. So before we do that, we will go back to the seller profile page, scroll down, click on his video. Let's check his work. Guys, that's really a professional work. This seller is really making good thumbnails. Look at this. You see, guys? That's really amazing. For people who want to and really taking YouTube seriously and they want to grow their YouTube channels, they will buy this service from you. I can guarantee to you this. You just need to promote it in the correct way. So what you will do next, double click on the video, click on save video, and save this video to your laptop. I'm gonna name it thumbnail. Okay, I have already some files. Thumbnail Fiverr. Okay, I will name it thumbnail Fiverr. I will go back. What you will do next, go back to Google. Go to Google and search for Canva like this. Search for this website. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address, and it's for free to use. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Canva. It's for free. Click on video over here and click on YouTube video over here, and you will be directly in this page. Click on upload, click on upload file, and upload the video that you download from Fiverr. This one, YouTube thumbnail. Open. We will use this video to promote our affiliate link on YouTube. Your video will be uploaded to Canva like this. Click on your video, and your video will text, and scroll down. You will find a lot of text style that you guys can choose which one you like. For example, I like to use this one. I will click on this one. The text will be in the front of your video. I'm gonna delete this one, and I will decrease the font size of this text, and I will put this text here. Double click on this text and write this sentence: check link in my description. Check link in my description. Okay, like this. Click on elements, scroll down, Let me show you. Scroll down here, go to search for this one, ships. Click on this one, put this ship behind your text to make it more clear and looks good. Click on color, choose a black color, and here you go. It's now a good video. Let's see. You guys can see it's now good video. So I will click on the video and I will, let me see here, position, okay, audio. Go over here to audio and just remove this, remove the background music. It's just annoying, and keep using the video like this. Okay, looking good. So let's see. Yeah, it's good. You guys can see. So those people who are searching for how to make YouTube thumbnails, they will watch your video on YouTube. They will see this. Check link in my description. You will put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. Okay, after you finish, click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. After you finish, go and open your YouTube channel, put this title, how to make YouTube thumbnails. Okay, exactly, use this title exactly like this. Please don't change or add anything, just use this title exactly like this, how to make YouTube thumbnail. Maybe you can add here step by step or full tutorial. Go to your YouTube description, put the same title again in this video. If you if you guys are in your description, put this sentence: if you are looking for how to make YouTube thumbnails for your YouTube videos, check link below, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, and so for you guys, first, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So just copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same. And go back to your YouTube channel and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description and start promoting those services related to those topics that people are searching for on YouTube. I can guarantee to you, if you are using this method, if you stay consistent, if you keep making, if you have some skills in editing, and you can start making your own content, create your own content for those services, you can make so much money. It's passive income. You make those videos keep ranking on YouTube search, keep getting views from YouTube search, and keep making you money even if you stop it. But first, you need to put in the work. You need to put a lot of videos. You need to upload a lot of videos. Okay, so if you rank a lot of videos, if you stop it, if for example you stop it up working for 1, 2, 3 months, you will keep making commissions, because people on YouTube, people will keep watching videos from YouTube search. Also, YouTube has a really, why I like YouTube is that YouTube show videos that are old. Even if your video was uploaded 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, it still can keep getting views. Of course, if you upload it correctly and if you are using good keywords. Okay, like this, you guys can see this is like this one. You see it like this one. This one was uploaded 4 years and this video is still getting 57 view per hour. Okay, you guys can see, this is the proof. That's why I like YouTube. YouTube is really the best traffic source for me. I already said this, and I'm making so much commissions just from YouTube. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. For people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. I just created an affiliate marketing course recently, and I still have it's still available. For people who are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching again. See you in my next videos.